Imagine owning a winery that supplies wine to multiple countries at different price points. You're curious to find information on using different models and regressions based off the total sales. Machine learning in business helps in enhancing business scalability and improving business operations for companies across the globe. By using machine learning, it will allow the winery to improve their business operations and find information in an organized, accurate way. This is where Big ML comes in. Big ML allows you to submit these datasets and use advanced software to find extremely specific details that normal software cannot find as easily. If we begin by looking at the available datasets, we have already uploaded some data titled Fictional Wine Sales. We'll start by creating a model that can allow us to analyze the results based off of the raw numbers given in the set. To create a model, we'll first click the drop-down arrow and simply select the Create a Model icon. You should then see a 1 appear under the category Models on the right, and then you can view the model by clicking on that one. This will allow the view of all of the selection of wines originating from a sorting by price. The wines are either greater than 16.48 or less than 16.48. At first glance, this can look very confusing, but if we hover over some of the results, we can begin to draw some conclusions. Along this string, we will begin with the greater than 16.48, but less than 17.47. The grape type is Riesling, and if we continue down the string, we can see that it is not from Oregon. We then see that this looks at all the countries we are selling to, except Argentina, and finally you can find the total sales equals 52, with an expect error rate of 39.52. You can find this information to the right of the diagram. Within this model, you can see any combination of wine selections in order to find what you are looking for. This is beneficial to business operation and allows them to grab large data sets and find the number they need to report for business findings. By using Big ML, we can simplify this process even more by using predictions to access total sales and other information faster. For this, go to the Supervise tab in the primary dashboard and click Models. Supervised data is directly related to supervised learning. This means that we have to train our data in order to classify inputs. It involves the learning of the system so that it will present correct classifications. Unsupervised data, however, finds patterns within the datasets that can further our analysis of information. These patterns can benefit organizations in a variety of ways and are not trained. Because we have already created an original model, we will utilize it further for analysis. From there, we will click the drop-down arrow. However, you will notice that there are different selections as we are now basing it off our original model and not the dataset. Then proceed to click Predict by Question. Follow the progression of questions that you will need to figure out total sales. We will be using the price, $30. Pinot Noir will be our grape of choice. We will choose a rating of 91 and type Pinot sales for the prediction name. However, this category is up to you. You will see above these selections that there's a prediction total sales to be 75.25 with an error of 11.47. The winery can try any combinations to find the final total sales based on what they need to report for. By exploring more into Big ML, you can see that many functions that it has to offer. Because of evolving technology and the need for fast and accurate data in business models, the accessibility to machine learning is vital for success of an organization. Big ML itself can be utilized by a company to analyze their data in a timely manner, and in this case, the winery would benefit from the tools that it has.